How to share Alibaba product links on social media. Want to share a product with your friends on social media? This guide shows you how to share Alibaba product links on WhatsApp or the social media. First, go to the product page of the item that you want to share. Look for a share button, which is usually a small icon with an arrow. Tap on it and it will show you different social media apps that you can share the link with. It is right here. You can then choose the app that you want to share the link with. For example, you can choose WhatsApp to share your link with your friends. You can also copy the link and post it on a social media. Sharing a product link is a great way to get a lot of people to see the product. It can also help you get a lot of sales and grow your business. So make sure you share products with friends on social media. You now know how to share product links on social media. Get ready to share your products with the world. Like and subscribe for more business tips.